Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Dogecoin itself. If you're enjoying these updates, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button if you have not done so already. But let's get right into today's topic. As we do start off a brand new week, and it's not just an ordinary week, of course, because we do have the US elections taking place tomorrow. And exactly as I projected, I was expecting that the market is going to actually retrace as we do start and, as we are heading into the election itself. That's exactly what we actually did see happening with Bitcoin, which of course is, flowing into the broader market as well. But if you're looking at Dogecoin, it's actually up 5.3%, doing some interesting things right now, which obviously are worthwhile noting. So let's waste no more time and really take a look at what's happening with Dogecoin right now. Before I get into it though, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Dogecoin, 15.86 cents, up 5.8% in USD comparative right now, also up 7.8% in Bitcoin comparative, and that is a big deal. Reason why I'm saying this is a big deal is because right now Bitcoin actually retraced a little bit with the dominance sitting at 60.3%, and still you're seeing Dogecoin in green. And tomorrow, the US election's coming, which of course I think is going to only bring more uncertainty. And of course, when the decision is made, whoever wins, I think the market is going to react however it's going to, depending on who is elected. But the sell the news event really is taking place right now, which a lot of people don't really see. A lot of altcoins are down right now over the course of the last 1 week. Anyone that locked in profit at that price point over the course of the last, week, I'm sure is, happy at that fact. But the ones that didn't, then this is again a learning lesson why it's so important to lock in profits and not listen to Twitter and YouTube comments. But anyhow, Dogecoin's market cap is at about $23.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is through the roof at about $3 billion. So what's really happening with Dogecoin right now? Because let's look at this from the overall meme coin standpoint. If you're looking at the top 10 meme coins, Dogecoin is the only one that's actually up more than 1% or in the top 10. The broader market is actually seeing a red day, and even the last 7 days, you are seeing the broader market actually down double digits. But yet you're here looking at Dogecoin, the largest market cap meme coin. The reason why the meme coin category even exists in the first place is due to Dogecoin's existence, and it's one of the coins that's remaining really strong. So are there insiders that know something? Is maybe Elon Musk going to announce something? Because of course last week when Donald Trump did have his rally in New York City, you did see Elon Musk was one of the speakers. And when Elon Musk was introduced to come on stage, he was introduced as one of the founders of Dogecoin, which obviously is not the case. But of course, that itself has brought in a lot of excitement, because since then, Dogecoin has really been holding much better than a lot of people have expected. So maybe there are insiders that know something that we don't, because like I said, if you're looking at the broader market momentum right now, it is actually on the bearish side in the immediate short term. And the way Dogecoin is holding right now, from based off of what I have seen in the past, tells me there is maybe some insider information, or maybe it's just whales that are manipulating the price of Dogecoin. Do let me know in the comments down below. But if you're looking at the dominance index has seen a little bit of a downside, but nothing too crazy. Still on the verge of breaking towards a new yearly high. We're sitting above 60%, guys. Let that sink in. So if you want to put this into perspective, the entire crypto market valuation is around about $2.3 trillion, not billion. I'm sure everyone wishes it was that, but $2.3 trillion is the market cap for the crypto markets as a whole. And about 60.3% of that 2.3 trillion is solely in Bitcoin. So that should just tell you altcoin season is nowhere near. And as I've been, highlighting over the course of the last few months, you don't see the altcoin season occurring until you see the dominance pulling down. And I don't see that happening until Bitcoin hits the new all-time high. And looking at Bitcoin today, you are looking at Bitcoin obviously seeing a little bit of a retracement. It's retesting exactly the levels I spoke to you guys about yesterday. And I would not be surprised if we don't hold around these support levels where we currently are, which of course is an all-time high from the previous cycle. I think the likes of $66,000 could be retested. Those are very realistic targets that I could see actually for Bitcoin in the upcoming hours ahead of us. It's going to be really important to see how Bitcoin holds, but as we close out the day. But it doesn't really matter in my opinion. I still do believe that the U.S. election has a much more weight than the daily candle close. But you are seeing market retracing as we are going into Tuesday. Obviously, right now it's Monday, but like I said, everything is playing out as we have been anticipating. But looking at the price of Dogecoin right now, doing some very interesting things as I've stated to you guys before. So we actually did see Doge retesting down to 14.5 cents. As the dominance picked up to a yearly high yesterday, we actually did see Dogecoin's price reacting to that. It wicked down to 14.26 cents. But since then, look at this bounce, guys. The bounce speaks for itself. You have seen Dogecoin bounce 11.6% over the past 24 hours, which tells you everything you need to know. Let me give it a refresh live because the charts are not loading up the way we want them. There we are. So you can look at this for yourself. Doge has made a 11.6% recovery right after seeing that pullback down, and it was bought back up very quickly. And right now you are seeing Dogecoin trying to retest that key resistance once again, and we know the importance of that key resistance. What would be really bullish in my opinion is if the price of Dogecoin is actually able to get past this key resistance and go into the U.S. election like that. And I think that would be a great sign for more upside in the price of Dogecoin. But of course, in the U.S. election outcome, whatever the result is very important. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think right now. Where do you see Dogecoin going, and why do you think Dogecoin's price is holding much better than the overall market? I would love to know your personal thoughts down below. And if you want to see more of these Dogecoin updates, let me know in the comments down below, and I will bring you guys that. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.